Okay, so starting with the radiator, I received new coolant and its hoses were passed through new areas to allow for some better cooling through better flow of coolant. Both brakes were overhauled, new brake hoses, which you can see from here that they were specifically made for this car. They were custom made, and now braking is immediate, efficient, and very powerful. As you may see, the strut mount was corrected, was re-welded in place, and now it's proper as it should be, as it is on the right side. Also, if you move in this area, you'll see the gearbox number, which is right here. Now the exhaust was also secured in place with a new mount that was made by Mr. Miles right here, and that goes all the way out the back where some new suspenders. The new suspender was placed in one of the sides that was missing, so there's no place in the exhaust. Also, you can see that the trailing arms received new bushings here and there, so there's no play in the rear suspension whatsoever. In the rear, the brakes were also again overhauled to a greater extent because they were more prone to sticking. So you can see the brake hoses here and there. In addition, the top shaft was lubricated. All the joints received some grease, and in addition, all small areas that presented some weathering were trimmed down and we sprayed with some black tar. And also the right rocker panel cover was put in place correctly, and a couple of caps were fitted over here, and same goes for the other side. Many more repairs took place on the upper side, which we will review in a second.